Exercise 9, question number 1. 9 question number 1. So we want to find x and z and y as well. When I look at just come to when I see 56 angle and 5.7. So that's a good thing. Sine rule. Approaching to sine rule. And okay, I know one more length because and I can find x. Then 180 minus those two I can y. Then again sine rule I can find this one. So this is the plan. 2 times square be sine rule. Now sine x over 4.2 equal sine 36 over 56 over 5.7. Sine x equal 4.2 times sine 57 equal 5.x sine inverse 4.2 sine 56 over 5.7. 36.65, which is 37.7 approximately for the 1 decimal places. So this is 37.7 now. Now we can find y equal 180 minus 56 plus 37.7. So that's going to be 86.3. So this is 86.3. Now again I can write the sine rule. Now I want to find z sine, sorry, it is a length, we don't need sine. So the z over sine 86.3 equal 5.7 over sine 56. Z equal 5.7 times sine 86.3 sine 56, which is 6.86 to 3 SF. And here I can see I want to find y, z, x. X is easy because okay, x is 180, 84 plus 48. So which is 48. This is also now 48. And then I can write the sine rule to this one and this one, and I can find y same as the 2 times sine rule. So y over sine 84 equal y over sine 84 equal 14.6 over sine 48. So y equal 14.6 sine 48 cross multiply sine 84 divide by sine 48. So y equal 19.5. Actually for z, the z equal 14.6. You don't need to do one more because this is 48 and this is 48. This is isosceles. Then the front of lengths are equal. So then z equal 14.6. So part C. So this is going to be x. I think I can easily find x. X equal 180 minus 120 plus 30, which is 150. This is 30. So this angle is going to be 30, because in a triangle I'd have to 180. That's why. Now this is the isosceles one. Y equal z. So y equal z as isosceles. Now we'll find y, then we can find z. So y over, I'm going to use sine rule, y over sine 30 equal 20 over sine 120. Y equal 20 times sine 30 over sine 120. So y equal 11.5 cm. Hence y equal z equal 11.5 cm, as triangle is isosceles. D, I can see that the plan is going to be um, I have a pair good for sin x, angle and a length, and I can find hence this one, then y, and then sine rule again. I said okay, we'll stay with this one. Sine x over 6 equal sine 130 over 12.8. Sine x equal 6 times sine 130 over 12.8. X equal sine inverse 6 times sine 130 over 12.8. So x is 21. X is 21 approximately, and there are two answers, 21. Another one is 121. We don't use this one because we know definitely x is a acute angle. That's why. And then this is going to be 21. Then I can find this one. So y equal 180 minus 130 plus 20. 180 minus 151. This is going to be 29. So y equal approximately 29. So this is 29. Now I can use the sine rule again to find the length z. Z over sine 29 equal z over sine 29 equal 12.8 over sine 130 sine rule. Z over this one, right? Z equal 12 point times sine 29 equal sine 130, then which is going to be 809. Question number E. When I look at the plan, this is ABC. There's no angles. It means sine law. No thing. I can't think about sine rule. Then what is the next one with the angle and relationship with the angle? and the sides, that is cosine. Then I have to use cosine rule to find one of these angles. Assume I'm going to find x, then I'm going to write cos rule to find x. Then I know this one I can apply 1 times sine rule. Then I know two angles and 180 minus I can get the other one. So this is the plan. So first of all, cos rule for x angle, right? Cos rule. The theory. So cos x equal, as I said, then square this one square minus this square. So those are the two guards for this x, and minus 6x square. Then divide by 2 times 3 5. So you need not to keep that formula. Don't think about, don't I'm always saying that don't compare with the standard formula. What is A, what is B, like that. So this is how you want to keep in your brain. So this is 3 square plus 5 square minus 6 square divided by 2 times, then this 2, 3 times 5. So cos x equal minus 0.06. Then x equal cos inverse minus 0.06, which is 93.8 to 3 SF. So this is 93.8. Then we'll find y and this distance and this one using sine rule. Using sine rule we can find sine y over 5 equal 6 sine 93.8 over 6. So sine y equal 5 times sine 93 over 6. Y equals sine inverse 5 times sine 93.8 over 6, which is 56.25. So 56.3 to 3 SF. So this is 56.3. Then is it equal 180 minus 53.3 plus 93.8, add up to 180 as a triangle, and this is going 29.9. This is angle in triangle add up to, so you want to write the reason for it. Angle in triangle add up to sine rule. This is from sine rule. 9 degrees. Question F. We can give two approach to this one. We don't know the angles. If we find this angle from the cos rule, then since isosceles we can find those two. So that is one method. Or I can see that this Z and Y are same. Y equal Z as isosceles. Y equal Z. So then I can put this is also Y. And when I do a symmetric line, this is perpendicular. And then this distance, if I take A, and this is also going to be A, it means 2A equal 12. 2a equal 12. Then a equals 6. Now this length is going to be 6. So this is 90 degrees and this is adjacent. When you come and stand up here, you can see this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse always. So it's hypotenuse. Then adjacent and hypotenuse rule is cos 6 over 8, which is 3 over 4 cos y. So y equal cos inverse 3 over 4, which is 41.4. Now this is 41.4 and this is 41.4. This is then 82.8. So then x equal, okay, now y equal z equal, because z also should be answer 41.4 degrees. Then x equal 180 minus 41.4 plus 41.4. Then x is going to be 97.223 SF. This is the reason is sum of triangles add up to 180. When I look at this sum G, I saw that this is there's a point and angle, then it's going to be sine easily, and I can see another one is given. We can find x straight. Then yes, then this angle and then this one. So this is a standard sum for us now. Sine x over 10.5 minus 9 sine 40 over 9.5. So sine x equal by sine rule. 10.5 times sine 40 over 945. X equals sine inverse 10.5 times sine 40 over 945. Then x equal 45.27. The other answer is 180 minus 45.27, which is 134.72. So I will stay with this is 40 point. This is going to be 3 and this is 135 to 3 SF. So now we have to consider both because x and y can be both varying. And now we have two answers. One is 45.3 with this setup, other one is 135 with the same setup. It means two answers for y and two answers for z. So we'll work on now. I will put this is y1 and y2. So y1 equal 180 minus 45.3 plus 40, sum of triangles. So this is going to be 94.7. y2 equal 180 minus, now this one, 135 plus 40, which is 175 minus, which is 5. So this is 94.7 and this is 5. Now again we want to work out, so I'll erase this one. For this value we said 1 and we said 2. We said 1 over sine 94.7 equal, we can take anything now. I'll take, okay, this one is it 1 9.5 over sine 40. We said 1 equal 9.0 over sine 40 times cross multiply sine 94.7. This is 14.7 cm. Is at 2 over sine 5 equal 95 point over sine 40. So we said 2 equal 95 over sine 40 times sine 5. So this is going to be 1.288, let's say 1.3. Now number H, when I look at, I can't see any pair, angle and distance. So then I can't think about sine rule, then I will come to a cos rule. Yes, I know this one, so I can find x. Then I can apply to sine rule and I can find this one and write. Okay, so that's the plan. First of all, from cos rules, x square equal 9.6 square plus 4.8 square minus 9.6 times 4.8 times cos 45. So x square equal 50.03 and x equals 7.07. So 7.07x. Now from sine rule I can find y. Sine y over 9.6 equal sine 45 over x mean 7.07. Then sine y equal 9 point times cos multiply sine 45 over 7.07. Y equal sine inverse 9.6 sine 45 over 7.07 equal equal 73.7. So this is 73.7. Then z equal 180 minus 180 minus 45 plus 73.7 from sum of the triangle. So this is going to be 61.3. Question number I. We have to start this sum because sine is failing. Either x or z using cos rule because we know the 3, and when we know this x then we can find y, and from that we can find z. From cos rule, right, cos x equal 12.3 square plus 20.4 square minus 15.6 square divided by 2 times 12.3 and 20.4. Cos x equal 0.645 and x equal cos inverse 0.645, and that answer is going to be 49.8. So this is going to be 49.8. So this is 90. Right. Now you can find. Now we can find y. Um, sine 49.8 equal y over 12.3. This is the hypotenuse. This is a right angle triangle. Y equals sine 9.8 times 12.3. Then from this triangle we can write sine Z mean when you come and stand up 9.39 over 15.6. So Z equals sine inverse 19.39 over 15.6, which is 37.01.